friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Akshata Suresh Kapse and I am doing my engineering at Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. Today I am here with the subject Innovation and Design Thinking. It is nothing but a IDT. In this video, we are going to learn about stages of innovation and design thinking. The contents are introduction, empathy, define, ideate, prototype, test, and conclusion. Here, the subject itself says IDT is nothing but a thinking. It involves in the many stages, as I said, and apart from those stages, this involves many stages, and it is nothing but a group discussion in a where peoples are added. We will move with the introduction. Here, the design thinking is a creative problem solving approach that puts people in the center of process. It involves in the empathy, experimentation, and the iteration. And in this presentation, we will explore the key principle to our design thinking and how it is can be used for a innovation. We will move with the very first stage of the innovation and design thinking. It is empathy, nothing but understanding the user. Design thinking starts with the empathy, where it means understanding the needs, wants of the user. By putting ourselves in their shoes, we can gain insights that lead to a better solution. This involves conducting user interview, observation, and other research methods, etc. And we will move with the second stage of the design thinking. It is nothing but a define, and define is known as farming up problems, where we are going to find the problems. Once we done with the empathy, we will move with the define. It is nothing but a understanding of the user. We can define a problem we're trying to solve. This involves forming it in a way that's specific, actionable, and focused on the user needs. By doing this, we can avoid solving the wrong problem and ensure that our solutions are relevant. And we will move with the third stage, that is ideate. Ideate means implementing the ideas or generating ideas. Once we done with the define, we will move with the ideate. With the problem defined, we can know ideate nothing but a generate a wide range of ideas without judgment. This involves brainstorming, mind mapping, and other techniques to come up with many ideas as possible in a different ways. We can I give an idea to the particular problem. Once we done with the define, the goal is to think outside of the box and explore new probabilities or new ideas to the problem. And next we will go with the fourth stage of the design thinking. It is nothing but a prototype. Prototype is nothing but a building to learn, means where we are going to learn. Once we done with the problem solving, and to solve that problem we give our ideas, many ideas as possible as in a different ways. And next we will carry that with the building to learn, and we are going to learn something with a particular problem. And this is nothing but a build a quick and a dirty versions or solutions and a test and learn form. This involves creating a low models, sketches, and other prototypes that allows us to get a feedback from the user and iterate quickly. And the next one is last stage of the ideate is nothing but testing. If once we done with the all four stages, we are going to test it. Test is nothing but a feed of the products, nothing but a feedback of the products. In this stage, the prototype are tested with the real users to gather a feedback and insights. The feedback helps identity potential flows, areas, and improvement and opportunities for innovation. Here, it once it is tested and will come with the feedbacks like what is the problem, what correctly it is going to happen in this way if we did, or something innovation. And it is we can come out with the implementation or opportunities like in innovations. This stage is nothing but a totally testing or a getting feedback from the users. And lastly, we will move with the conclusion. Here, the conclusion is nothing but where it is design thinking is a very powerful approach to innovate that can helps us to solve a complex problems and create breakthrough the solutions by putting up people in the center of the process and using empathy, experimentation, define ideas or a test or some other probabilities of different ideas where different peoples involved in this center of process, and we are getting new thoughts with the new peoples, and we can create a products and survive that truly meet to needs or our users, and we will get a feedback from the testers. This is all about the stages of innovation and a design thinking. There are benefits, more benefits of these stages, and there are many other stages. This is all about this five stages of the innovation and design thinking. Thank you everyone. Please like, share, and subscribe.